It's been raining non-stop here in Cancun. That's one of the reasons we haven't posted many videos. It's kind of hard to be outside right now. You can't go to the beach, and going to the mall gets old pretty quickly. But we did find something to do. Plaza de Toros is a great event center. They host a lot of concerts and stuff, but this time we were lucky enough to go check out some boxing. Up-and-comers trying to make a name for themselves. Tickets from 150 all the way to 600 pesos just to be in ringside. That's not a bad price. Luckily we found someone that said slap the sticker on your car, promote it, and you'll get 3 free tickets. And that's exactly what we did. I expected a lot worse, I'll be honest with you. But I was very surprised. Very professional. People with their kids went to this event.
Do you understand anything? Who's winning? Who's losing?
The blue one and the red one is this.
You heard it from Natalia. So, putting on that, the rookies, I expected a lot worse. Good, they're really hitting each other pretty good. Let's take it back to the ring.
These guys gave it their all.
But they were not the only one. Girls got down too.
Oh, they're getting good. They're getting better than the first fight. The girls kick butt. Literally, they could kick my butt all over the floor. Natalia, what do you think?
Okay, doing well.
And you know Natalia is an expert in boxing because she was the only one who predicted that the chunky boy is gonna win at the first battle.
And also, she's a good professional because she fought with. Never mind, I killed the joke.
Nayeli!
Still like you more. Don't worry. Don't worry. The next time we're gonna work on your image together. Wait, what is that? Ay, 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 ay. I see you, dude.
We saw a lot of strange stuff at the boxing arena, but not only that, we saw some great boxing too.
Wow! That was an amazing fight.
This is the first time I see knockout. Cancun wins!
Knock me out with her heart. I see birds.
It's because Russia won Canelo.
Even the 10-year-olds were putting on a good show. It isn't boxing without a ring girl.
Okay, this is why you don't want to go to boxing. And all because the pretty girl is on the ring.
That one wasn't as
I'm watching you.
nice night today, huh? It's a beautiful day.
We got to the point of a very exciting fight.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that.
Please stop together.
He does slip right here, and you'll see why soon.
Finish him!
Remember when the boxer slipped? Well, it was because it was raining so much that the water started going right through the whole arena. We were all finding places to stay dry.
That was amazing. That That's what you call boxing. Wow.
The whole thing lasted about 10 matches, and yes, they were pretty long. It finished around 12:30 a.m. I'm glad we left at the time we did because it was raining so hard it was very hard to drive home. But overall, it was a fun, amazing experience.
If you like what we are doing and want to support the channel, click on the PayPal or Patreon link in the description.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.